Yo guys, it's Shankar back with another video on internet. I hope you guys are well and safe. So today I'm going to do a video on how to make Doodth Pattee Pakistani tea known as chai. So I hope you enjoy it, guys. Right, first and foremost guys, you're going to need some tea bags. I've used some PG tea bags. I've used about 2 or 3. So next guys, you're going to crush some cardamom pots as well as some cinnamon sticks into a fine powder. Displayed in the pot guys is the cardamom pots as well as the cinnamon stick. This is what you need for that flavorful chai. Maybe add a bit extra if you want it a bit more strong. Obviously it's trial and error when making the perfect chai for yourself. Right guys, first you're going to grab a cup of milk. Make sure it's full fat milk. Then you're going to grab a cup of some tap water or any sort of water that you want, mineral water. We need a spoon, preferably a tablespoon, to mix everything together, as well as finally a saucepan just to get it all brewed up. Next guys, as you can see, the saucepan is on medium heat. All you're going to do is simply add the cup of water. So guys, while the water is coming to a boil, you're going to add the PG tips tea bags into the saucepan and let them brew up. Shortly after, you're going to get the powder which you've created. All you need is just a pinch, not too much, unless you want it really strong or really flavorful. Then by all means you can put it in, but just really a pinch. You're gonna put the milk into the saucepan. Don't be like me and do what I did. I made a right mess there. I've got a right bollocking off my mum after this video, I'm telling you. So after that guys, what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it simmer for up to 10 to 15 minutes. And as you can see, the milk is sort of rising and it builds sort of a froth. Don't let that rise up too high because that'll build more of a mess, so quickly turn that gas off. Make sure you keep an eye on it guys, because in the past it's been all over the top of the hob, and it is a pain to clean after. So yeah, what you do is just let it cool down. You let it sort of rest for a couple of minutes. Right, the secret behind it guys is to let it heat and then also to let it rest. You can do this up to 2 to 3 times, and that brings out the flavour for the chai. As you can see in this video, we've done it up to 3 times and it's bang on every time, to be honest with you. Absolutely beautiful. Next guys, what you're going to do, you're going to sieve it through. You're going to make sure there's no bits and bats of the cardamom pot, cinnamon stick, whatever. As you can see, just sieve it all through, make sure it's nice and smooth, nice and silky, as you can see right here. The last but not least thing is the sugar. You've got to sweeten it up somehow. Myself, I've got a sweet tooth. I've used 3 sugars, but you can also use honey or maple syrup or even sweetener, just to sweeten it all up. Give it a good mix guys, and also give it a good smell. Inhale that. Absolutely amazing. Always say Bismillah. I'm sure I said it. But yeah guys, there's your tea, chai or Doodth Pattee. Hope you enjoy it guys. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do make this chai, make sure you send me a photo of it on Instagram. Add my Instagram, TENET 1.0. And yeah, if you have any other suggestions, let me know. Please take care and stay safe. Goodbye guys.